Hi everyone, today I am a student of Prakash Ghosh sir from our Barampur. So today I am going to show you all the elementary benzene family reactions in only one template site, which will be extremely useful for your JEE and NEET journey. So let's see that how much we can complete in our reaction. Starting with benzene, then CH3Cl with presence of anhydrous AlCl3, which is the Friedel-Crafts reaction. So let's see if we can do it over there. So it's a huge task, you know. Then Cl2 in presence of sunlight, or you can say diffuse sunlight especially. Sunlight will react reversely. Then which upon reaction, okay. Then you can also convert this into this reaction with HCHO, anhydrous AlCl3 and JEE. Now this one goes like this. 3MnO4. Sorry guys. Which can be further reduced to CHCl. Liquid concentrated ammonia. CnH2, which converted into Hoffman reduction. So this one says on one side, working is still remaining. This one is alcoholic QH in presence of CaO. And okay, let's bring back concentrated H2 support, which is sulphonation of benzene. So this is all you can stuff module things in there. So next one should go like this. This is Diazonium chloride salt of benzene. Which gives phenol, which gives the benzene on zinc dust. Reduction. This one can be converted into cyanide benzene by NaCN or AgCN, you can use anything, or AgCN. This one acidic water that is H3O plus will give benzoic acid COH, and which on further reduction with CaO and NaOH will give backward benzene. Now our Grignard part, which we can convert by adding KBr or HBr. So there goes our bromine in place of N2Cl minus. We will add magnesium in place of in presence of ether, it is etheric condition magnesium, or you can say diether, it is diether, to form the Grignard reagent MgPr. In capital, which on H2O will give back again on benzene. So starting from benzene, we are getting another benzene. Now let's move to our. I will prefer to move to our salicylic acid salicylaldehyde, which are present in aldehyde ketone carboxylic acid and phenol ether. That conditions. This one upon with NaOH will give around this one, this figure. O minus Na plus. Now we will convert this into phenol by adding H plus. This is the phenol. Another reaction we can add CH3I. NAI will be the byproduct and OCH3 will be formed. That is toluene. Sorry, not toluene, it is methanate. This one with CO2, 6 atm pressure and 123 Kelvin temperature, it will form a complex set of structure. CO2 minus with Na plus. Now there are three reactions getting to phenol, which are most important. On each CCl3 and NaOH with a little bit of heat, it will form salicylaldehyde. Then upon concentrated HNO3, this concentrated nitric acid, all the three nitric acid will be just attached to the benzene in para-ortho condition. Due to picric acid.
Try to look at the camera sometime.
Yes, thank you sir for your advice. This is salicylaldehyde. Now this one reaction with CCl4 and NaOH with heat will form salicylic acid. In this regard, we have two more reactions over here. We can add PHCOCH3. It will lead to the formation of a compound system, which is important for your preparation. Another structure will lead to the formation of OH. Here it will be CH3CO. Now let's bring back to the top once more. Now another type of Friedel-Crafts reaction, which is just Cl with anhydrous AlCl3, or it is Cl3 with both.
Sign of your camera.
Which on halogen reduction reaction, which is released phenomenon cost reaction, we can use it. Which will form CHO. And this one, which reacts with KCM to form benzoin. Which further reacts with concentrated nitric acid, which oxidizes this keto group to OH. now I've got some few more reaction with HCN, which is CHOH and another CN, which is the Mendelic acid. Another reaction is also there, which is an important reaction. To delete a formation product like this, CH double bond CHCOH, and the reactants are CH2CO double ONI. So this is not this reaction. Let's compare on the side.
Mr. Ahan, look at the camera sometimes.
Yes, sir. We'll try to do after the giving the explanation. I will explain everything. Let us first complete the reaction and then.
Okay.
This one is concentrated HNO3, that is nitric acid, and concentrated H2SO4 at room temperature, which is known as mixed acid, will lead to the nitration of the benzene. Now we go on with reactions. And further mixed acid will lead to the furthermore nitration, forming NO2s at meta conditions. Which can further with nitric acid with reaction NO2 and 1. This one can be reduced. One NO2 can be reduced into NH2 using Na2SO4 or NaHSO4 you can also use, but in that case you have to use concentrated H2SO4. So this one is complete. Try to make, because we can have seen this meta condition. Let us try to make in para condition. Then we have to at first reduce it to NH2, and then we can use acetic oxide, which with the heat will form NHCOCH3. Now on this condition, if we add the mixed acid, that is the concentrated H2SO4 and concentrated HNO3, then it will enter into the para position, that is in this position. Now here we need to convert this also into NO2. At first let us convert it into NH2, which will be formed by like this 2-mole reduction. And further with CF3, this is strong cooling group, COOH, it will form NO2 and NO2 in para position. So this was the whole reaction you can see out there.
How did you memorize? Have you any blueprint to memorize everything?
Yeah, at the blueprint sir provided me the copy, a page where it has given all the reaction. So I have memorized it into block wise, that is first the right bottom block, then the left bottom block, then the right top block and the left top block. I have also written also in the same manner. That was this block, then this, then that upper portion and then this portion.
Here, how many number of reactions are present here?
Maybe about 80 to 85 reactions are present all over.
How much time to invest to memorize this type of blueprint about this type of reaction?
No, I have not given so much time, but it was all about the practice. 1 to 2, 4 times or 7 times a week. Daily once you can do it. Or you can just once you can see it or complete it block wise, then it will be more easier for you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hit.